Givaudan is the #1 flavor producer in the globe, right? We have 5 regions that we are covering as part of our organization. One is in North America. We employ about 1,300 operations employees in North America, which are under my responsibility. And we are supplying about 300 to 400 different finished goods to our customer portfolio here in North America. So we are in the Cincinnati area for over 100 years. We have a company, we started as Freeze 100 years ago, here actually just across the highway, Carthage. We have been upgrading the site on a very frequent basis. However, now we get to a point, right, that we want to explore more options. We want to make sure that we have a state-of-the-art facility. We are a little bit landlocked at Carthage, which doesn't allow us the full expansion as we wish it to happen, right? So that's why we want to look for, we want to explore new opportunities. We want to look for new lands and ultimately build a state-of-the-art facility here in the Cincinnati area. We have a lot of customers that are in the Cincinnati neighborhood. I think this is clearly the center of gravity for us from a customer portfolio perspective, and therefore it is critical for us to continue building our network here in the Cincinnati area. The new investment is part of our 2030 strategy and is a clear investment into people, infrastructure, capabilities and capacity. Especially when it comes to capacity, it's critical for us to expand because we are growing as an organization, right? We have more and more customers that are buying from us, and we want to make sure that we are fully ready to absorb some of this increased demand that we are actually foreseeing in the upcoming years. I want to thank our partners, one of them being Ready Cincinnati. We have Alloy, we have the city of Reading, we have the city of Cincinnati. I also would like to thank Jobs Ohio. These are all very important partners for us because they are going to make us successful at the end of the day. The partnership needs to be constructive, right? It needs to be developed, and I think it's super critical for us to continue developing these relationships so we can be successful with that new facility.